First up, the looks. It's immediately clear this is the next generation. It pulls design language directly from its bigger siblings, the 702 and the 902. The lines are cleaner, sharper, and more modern. It just looks premium. It still uses that classic Benelli steel trellis frame, but now it's reinforced with a new tubular aluminum structure up front, which should mean better stability. The seat height is now a more manageable 825 millimeters, fantastic for accessibility. You still get those essential ADV wheels, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked alloy wheels, perfect for mixed-use terrain. We've got a beefy $43 million fork up front with 140 millimeters of travel, and an adjustable monoshock in the rear with 173 millimeters of travel. Solid, confidence-inspiring components. Now for the biggest change, the engine. We jumped from 500 cubic centimeters to a new 554 cubic centimeters parallel twin. This isn't just a bigger bore, it's a better engine. The 270-degree crankshaft gives it a punchier sound and more character. The key here is the torque. 54 Newton meters comes on strong at 5,500 revolutions per minute, meaning you'll feel that pull when you need it most, passing cars or climbing a hill. It's got more grunt across the entire rev range than the outgoing 500. The 602X finally drags Benelli into the modern era, leaving the old analog feel behind. It features a crisp 5-inch full-color TFT display with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. We now have two proper riding modes, normal and sport, which modulate the throttle response. This is massive. It now features switchable traction control, TCS, and switchable ABS. This means when you hit the dirt, you can finally turn off the safety nets you don't want, giving you true control over the bike. That's a game changer for serious ADV riders.